So, you missed a payment, and now your Afterpay limit is lower than you'd like? Don't sweat it, because today we're talking about how to potentially get that spending power back and even increase it. Experiencing a reduced Afterpay spending limit after a late payment can be frustrating, but it's also an opportunity to rebuild trust and creditworthiness with the service. The key is to demonstrate your ability to manage your repayments responsibly moving forward. The absolute first and most crucial step is to focus on improving your repayment history. Make every single future payment on time. Without exception, set reminders. Use calendar alerts. Whatever it takes to ensure you never miss a due date again. Consistent on-time payments signal reliability to Afterpay. Next, consider linking a bank account directly to your Afterpay account. This not only streamlines your payment process, making it easier to pay on time, but it can also provide Afterpay with additional insight into your financial stability, potentially bolstering their confidence in you as a user. Now, let's talk about responsible spending behavior. While you're working on rebuilding your credit, it's wise to be mindful of your Afterpay purchases. Stick to smaller, more manageable purchases that you are absolutely certain you can afford to pay back on time. Avoid maxing out your reduced limit. Demonstrating consistent responsible usage, even with a lower limit, shows Afterpay that you are a dependable customer. Gradually, as you build a solid track record and show you can handle your current limit with ease, Afterpay may automatically review and potentially increase your spending limit over time. Patience and consistent responsible behavior are your best allies here. By focusing on timely repayments, linking your bank account, and spending wisely, you are actively working towards regaining and even increasing your Afterpay spending limit. Keep up the good habits, and you'll see results.